How to lock Netflix profile on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can lock the Netflix profile on phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have noticed that sometimes when you open the Netflix application and then you just log into your account, even after you log in there is a set of profiles that you have to choose from, and from the set of profiles some of the profiles could be locked. And it's actually quite a useful feature so that other people or maybe your friends and your family cannot watch from your profile. Now you can also go ahead and then lock your profile just like this, and I will show you how. But to do this from mobile, we cannot do it from the app, so instead we are going to open up our browser and then go to netflix.com and log into our account. So I repeat, not the app but the browser. Once you log into netflix.com, tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen, then navigate to the option called account. Once you go to account, just scroll down over here. You should be able to see profile and parental controls. Now the one that has a lock sign next to it indicates that the profile is already locked. So in order to lock some other profile, just select that here and then just tap on profile lock is currently set to off. You'll find the change button, make sure to tap on it. Now first of all, to verify it, you have to enter your Netflix account password and then tap the continue option. After that, here you can see it says require a PIN to access this profile. So just check this button here. And now just enter the PIN you would like to use for this profile and then tap the save option. Once you tap on it, that profile will get successfully locked. Now just relaunch the Netflix application here. It may take a couple of seconds for this to work, but don't worry, it's going to get your job done. Next time when you open the Netflix application over here, that specific profile that we selected earlier will be locked. So as I said, it may take a couple of seconds. So far it has not loaded. For this to work, you can just try to log out and re-log in and your Netflix profile will get locked. Now if you want to unlock it, you can come back to this page, tap on it, tap on profile lock, enter your password here, tap on continue, and then just uncheck this and then tap on save. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.